Mastering the art of get down on one knee. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's packed with cultural and emotional significance. Get down on one knee. This expression is not just about the physical act but carries a deep meaning in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about English expressions, understanding the nuances of this phrase will add a rich layer to your language skills. So, let's get started. At its most basic, get down on one knee refers to the physical act of lowering oneself so that one knee touches the ground while the other knee remains raised. It's a position that can imply readiness, respect, or preparation for an action. This physical gesture is simple, but it's the context in which it's used that gives it a deeper significance. In many cultures, getting down on one knee is a symbol of respect, honor, and submission. However, it's most commonly associated with marriage proposals. In this context, one partner, traditionally the man in heterosexual relationships, kneels before the other as a sign of commitment, love, and the intention to marry. This gesture is seen as romantic and signifies the seriousness of the proposer's intentions. While the act of getting down on one knee is most famously linked to marriage proposals, its usage extends beyond this scenario. Athletes might get down on one knee to take a brief rest or to show respect during a national anthem. It can also be seen in religious practices, where individuals kneel in prayer or devotion. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of the phrase. When using the phrase, get down on one knee, it's important to consider the context to convey the intended meaning accurately. For a marriage proposal, you might say, he got down on one knee and proposed to her under the stars. In a sports context, the player got down on one knee to tie his shoelaces before the game resumed. The versatility of this expression makes it a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this exploration of get down on one knee has enlightened you to the depth and beauty of this phrase. Whether it's used to signify a lifelong commitment or a moment of respect, understanding the cultural and emotional weight of this expression can enhance your comprehension and use of the English language. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Happy learning!